We have the Lennox iComfort SLP-98-UH G71MPP, which was installed 23 months ago. The first time it showed a critical alert deck 4/12. The plumbing company came and cleaned a sensor and got it working again. It has quit twice since then and shows critical alert 35. Problem with indoor unit, it shows system is waiting. I have shut the power to the furnace off for 20 minutes or more, and when I turn it back on, it heats again. The main computer thermostat has not been touched. The plumber only looked at the furnace in the basement. Have you had this happen before? I'm afraid if I leave for a few days it may quit and not restart.
Hello, it seems the professional has left this conversation. This happens occasionally, and it's usually because the professional thinks that someone else might be a better match for your question. I've been working hard to find a new professional to assist you with your question, but sometimes finding the right professional can take a little longer than expected. I wonder whether you're okay with continuing to wait for an answer. If you are, please let me know and I will continue my search. If not, feel free to let me know and I will cancel this question for you. Thank you. Michelle.
The furnace is running okay again. The alert has not come on again. The little giant condensate pump has not been cleaned and could be the problem. When they installed the furnace, the pump was fastened between the wall and the furnace. I will get it unfastened and move it up front where I can clean it out. We are not using the humidifier presently. The pump moves a lot of water when the air conditioner or humidifier runs during those seasons. I will check the pump when I can get it pulled out.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.